All right, Chef Stern here back in the ZLINE kitchen. So we're gonna finish off our food with one of my favorite desserts, s'mores, but we're making it a little bit different this time. I'm not a baker, I'm not a pastry chef, so this is kind of my way of pretending to be. So it's a little bit of a deconstructed s'more. So what we're gonna do, very first thing we're gonna do, and I have it over here, is we have wild berries. You can either do fresh or you can do the frozen. Little bit of sugar, a little bit of water, and then I add fresh thyme. It kind of gives it a little bit of a savory aspect to it. I think everything sweet needs something savory. Everything savory needs a little something sweet. So I've got, it's blackberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blueberries, and we just cooked them down to a compote so it's nice and thick. And then I melted a little bit of unsalted butter. And what we're gonna do with the butter is we're gonna make our graham cracker crust. So some graham cracker crumbles, and then we add our butter. Similar to making like a crust for a cheesecake. So we'll mix that up. Gives it a little structure. And then we also have our chocolate pudding. So rather than doing the Hershey's, or what my wife likes to use is the Reese's, and you can use that too. We use chocolate pudding. So you can use the instant, you can use the cook and serve, it's totally up to you. So what we'll do is we'll start with our crust, or our graham cracker outer shell. We'll put that down first, however much you want. I have 4 kids at home, so I do the little jars because they're under 10 and any excess sugar turns them into lunatics. So we try to be a little cautious how much sugar we give them. All right, so after that, we're gonna add our chocolate. So our pudding is gonna replace our Hershey's. We'll pipe that in there. And then the little twist, everything's got to have a little twist. So this is our berry compote. And it is not s'mores without toasted marshmallow. So we're gonna take our marshmallow fluff, just put a little bit right there on top. You can garnish it with a nice piece of Hershey's chocolate. You can garnish it with a Reese's peanut butter cup. You can garnish it with whatever you want. And then now the fun part. And just like that, we've got deconstructed wild berry and thyme s'mores.